Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about 5 ways you can immigrate into Canada. If you're thinking about moving to Canada, whether to work in Canada, to study in Canada, or to live in Canada, then this video is for you. It gives you many options. So if you try one and it doesn't work for you, please don't give up on your dream. Try another way. One way might not work for you, but another way will work for you. Remember Thomas Edison, who invented the bulb, a fluorescent bulb. He tried 1,000 times plus, but every time he tried and it didn't work, he tried another way. He felt like he was getting closer to the way it was going to work. So please check out these pathways, and some of these programs I've done a video on them on my channel, like the study visa process, like the express entry process. Okay, you can check those videos out. And if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe so that you get notified whenever we upload a video, just to share information about the ways in which you can immigrate to Canada. By the way, I am not an immigration consultant, but I'm just doing this to share information that could help someone out there. I remember when I was trying to move to Canada and I didn't know how to go about it. If I had access to such information, it would have made my journey maybe just easier. Okay, so please check out these videos and subscribe to this channel and make a comment. So let's jump into the 5 ways in which you can immigrate into Canada, whether to live, work, or study in Canada. The first way is called the study visa. Okay, study visa is a pretty easy route to immigrate into Canada, in the sense that people are constantly being admitted into different colleges in Canada and given the opportunity to come and study in Canada. One of the advantages of studying in Canada is that once you study in Canada and you're done with your program, let's say you do a diploma course or you do a degree program, after you finish with your program, you have what is called a postgraduate work permit. When you get a postgraduate work permit, you are allowed to work full-time in Canada. And even while you study in Canada, you're also allowed to work 20 hours a week. 20 hours a week, so that you can be able to raise money to support your study. So you think that we're coming to Canada to study, it's a great opportunity that you should consider. Okay, your postgraduate work permit, it is very easy for you to move into permanent residence, because once you gain a little experience in Canada, then you can easily apply for permanent residence, and eventually you can easily move to become a Canadian citizen. Okay, so that's a great route to consider, the study visa route. The second way I want to talk about today is the express entry. Express entry is a skill program where Canada is trying to source skills, okay, professionals from different backgrounds to come and help to boost the economy. It's a pool-based system, and I have a video on this channel that I explain the process of the express entry. Okay, so in this program, it is you are given points based on certain factors like your work experience, factors like your education, factors like your age, factors like your language proficiency, among others. Okay, those factors are all in the video that I made explaining the express entry route. So if you're interested in that, please check out the video. And once you come into Canada by express entry, you come in at once with your permanent residence. Permanent residence is a very great status in Canada, because with permanent residence, you virtually have similar privileges as a Canadian citizen. For example, if you come into Canada with a study visa, you pay like 3 times the fee that Canadians pay. But once you become permanent residents, you pay the same fee as Canadians. That means your fee is literally divided by 3 if you're still interested in going to school. Okay, so permanent resident has a lot of advantages. You are able to get grants to study. You're able to qualify for different banking instruments. You can be able to get a loan from the bank to take projects and stuff like that. So permanent residence is a great status. And once you become permanent residence, you don't need to renew papers any longer. You only need to apply for your Canadian citizenship. Okay, but when you are still a worker or a student in Canada, then you have to constantly renew your permit. Let's say you're given a study permit that is 2 years, and then after 2 years you're still in school, you have to renew your papers. So you keep spending money that way. But once you have a permanent residence, man, you have a calm head. You're just looking forward to your Canadian citizenship. So please consider this pathway. It might take more time than the study visa route, but definitely it is something that is worth the time. Once you are approved, man, you are good to go. So check out the eligibility form to see if you're eligible and see how you can even get more points. I explained all of this in my video in this channel about how to come into Canada by express entry. So the next pathway, the third way I'm going to talk about today, is called the Business Immigration Program. Okay, this is a program where Canada invites business people, investors who can come and invest in the economy of Canada. Canada welcomes successful business people who are seeking new opportunities and challenges. Okay, the Business Immigration Program is designed to encourage and facilitate the mission of these individuals. Both the federal and provincial territorial government will welcome business immigrants and offer services to help immigrants start a business and settle in Canada. Okay, so if you have a business idea and you have certain amount of capital, it is very easy for you to come into Canada through this business immigration program. And if you're interested in knowing more about this business immigration program, I'm going to put a link of the of a page that describes how to qualify, how to go about it, in the description of this video. Okay, kindly share this video with your friends who might be looking for ways to move into Canada. Subscribe to this channel and leave a comment to help this video reach out to more people. The next program, the fourth one I'm going to talk about today, is called the Provincial Nomination Program. Canada has provinces, I think about 10 of them. So each province launched their own program to attract certain professionals and certain skills into their province. Okay, so this program actually is called the PNP, Provincial Nomination Program. Okay, and this program is for workers who have skills, education, work experience to contribute to the economy of a specific province or territory. So that's how it works. So like a province can launch their own program maybe to attract skills like farmers, maybe butchers, maybe different kind of skills at different times. Okay, agricultural engineers and stuff like that. So this program can either be launched for students, it could be launched for business people, it could be launched for skilled workers, and it can also be launched for semi-skilled workers. I'm going to put a link to a page where you can read more about this program. Please feel free to study. If you can only study, you don't even need to hire an immigration consultant to follow your papers for you. You can actually do your own papers by yourself and move into Canada if you just have the patience to go to the website and read and watch videos and listen to people who have experience in doing that. You can do it yourself, guys. You can do it yourself, and that will save you a lot of money. So some of the popular provincial nomination programs are programs like the Saskatchewan immigration program. There's the Alberta nomination program. There's the Quebec immigration program. There's the British Columbia immigration program. There's Manitoba nomination program. There's all of that. Nova Scotia, I actually got invited by Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia got interested in my profile at one time, and they invited me to apply to that territory, but I just didn't want to go live in that place. So please check this out. It could be a way that will help you to achieve your dream to move into Canada to live, work, or study. The next program, the last one for today, is called Family Sponsorship Program, Family Sponsorship Immigration Program. So this program is either for Canada permanent residents or Canadian citizens to invite their parents or their grandparents to move to Canada. Okay, so you can invite, if you're a Canadian permanent resident, or you are a Canadian citizen and your parent is from another country, you can actually invite them to this program to join you in Canada. There's also another program under this program which is called spouse or common law sponsorship. So if you have a spouse, let's say you're married to somebody who is in Canada and is a permanent resident or a Canadian citizen, the person can easily invite you to apply under this program, even if your spouse is just a student. I remember when I moved to Canada, my wife was still a student in Canada. In fact, if your wife is a student, you have a greater chance of inviting your spouse in a very short time, because Canada believes that if your spouse comes in, the spouse can help you to work and support you to go through your studies and with ease. Okay, so they will easily give you a visa. So common law works this way. If you've lived with somebody, maybe you're not married, but you've lived with that person maybe for 6 months plus, then you guys are considered to be common law. I mean, living together like either boyfriend or girlfriend, husband and wife, or husband and wife that are not legally married by the court. Okay, you're considered to be common law partners. So if somebody has lived with you as a girlfriend, as a wife, who did not have legal papers, and then moves into Canada, and becomes maybe a permanent resident, the person can invite you to apply to work in Canada under this common law sponsorship program. Okay, I'm going to put also a link to this in my description so that you can check this out and just read about it. It's a very interesting program. I actually came into Canada through a spousal work permit. Spousal work permit? That means my wife was a student in Canada, and then she submitted an application for me to join her as a worker. Yeah, so that's how I came into Canada. So it's an interesting program that you can think about. If you can get married to somebody who is in Canada, or if you have a wife that is moving to Canada, please make sure that you make your papers and you guys get married in court, because once that person moves to Canada, the person can easily invite you to join him or her in Canada. So I hope that this video was helpful to you. Remember, 5 ways you can move to Canada: study permit, express entry, business visa, provincial nomination, and family sponsorship. These are legitimate ways, and people are using these ways to flock into Canada in their thousands and thousands every month. So why not you? You can do it. If anyone can do it, you too can do it, man. Get to work, study, explore this option. Look at the ones that fits your particular situation and apply. It doesn't cost a lot of money to apply. Just try it, okay? If you believe it and you don't give up, everything is possible for him that believe it, okay? So please, before you leave this channel, please kindly subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any question regarding my video, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching to this point. God bless you. Bye-bye.